There are many ways to output your CAD drawing. One of them that we've looked at is to print to paper. The other is to output it to an image file, which we've also looked at. Many people use PDF files to share documents electronically. AutoCAD can do that. It can also plot to JPEG or JPG files, PNG, DWF, DWFX files, etc. JPEG and PNG are simply images that can be edited by programs like Adobe Photoshop or CorelDRAW. A DWF and DWFX file are image files from Autodesk that AutoCAD can reference and work with. Regardless of which of these file types you want to export to, the process is the same. In fact, we've already done that, but I wanted to go over it again. Let's open up a file. Let's go with our dimension example file. And let's put on something with some style. Now, when you want to print, just type in the word plot, click your print button up here, whichever one's easier for you to do. Right now, this file is actually set up to plot to or print to a DWFX file. It's a digital file. It can be opened up in Autodesk Design Review, which is a free download, and I suggest you download it and take a look at it if you didn't install it already when you installed AutoCAD. But as you can see here, you can export or print to a PNG file, a JPEG, PDF, a DWF, as well as your regular printer. Now, the process is exactly the same no matter which one of these file types you're printing to. The only difference is that a JPEG will ask you for not a paper size, but a pixel size. And you may have to pick that. It comes from right here. You can go 750 by 1050, etc. So it's going to depend on what you need to do. Set your scale, your plot style, and click OK. And then you'll have your JPEG, PNG, PDF, DWF, or DWFX file. Of course, if all else fails, you can just print to the printer.